Really, nigga?
I'm sorry. What's up, guys? I got this nice play button here. Well, YouTube sent it to me. Took me like 3 weeks to get it, or 2 weeks, one of them. But yeah, honestly, I don't know what to say. Okay, right. Well, sorry, my lighting is horrible. Okay, I have a yellow light bulb on pour. Okay,
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This isn't my camera. This is my friend's camera.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But anyway, let me go unbox this shit. I have to get a fucking kitchen knife here, so. Okay. Somehow I couldn't find a knife in my house, right? So don't ask me how, but yeah, I couldn't find a knife, so gotta be unboxing this shit with this. Like, who am I gonna unbox fucking spoon? Like, you don't need no knife. Who needs a knife to unbox something? Let's get to it. If this camera fucking dies while I'm recording this shit. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm like the first person in Trinidad to have this, I think, anyway. Well, the first person to make an unboxing. Oh, okay, oh fuck. Dog, okay, give me this. Oh fuck, oh fuck. I'm sorry. Horrible, right? Give me this. I'm gonna just turn this up, right? Turn it up, right? I don't mind that demon in the background.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Right, I'm like the first person in like Trinidad to have this play button. Other than like 2 music channels on Jesus Christ and Buddha, you know. Yeah, I'm Jesus Christ and Buddha. Anyway, right. Fuck. Come on. Yes. I'm probably doing this so wrong. Videos coming soon, by the way. This really busy these days. When is the summertime, I'm gonna be making a lot of videos, so stay subscribed. Okay, I'm sorry. If you don't wanna wait, then you could go and die. I'm sorry. Anyway. Fucking spoon. You have served your purpose.
Why are we still here?
And, well, there's nothing special. Everyone seen this before, but anyway. This nigga just at me. This girl fucking
Boy, if you don't get
this back. Sorry. Get this shit back, right? Right. Did focus? Just came to Trinidad. Honestly, I didn't expect them to send this to Trinidad. I live like on a tiny ass fucking island. If you don't know what Trinidad is, it's on the screen right now. That fucking tiny ass dot. Well, I used to live in Tobago, but I came to Trinidad, and I used to live in a smaller dot. So yeah, let's go and get back this way. Oh my! YouTube, oh, get my little letter. Oh my! It's going to the bottom. Let's go. Can you see that? Can you see that? Well, you know what it says. Beauty. It's beauty. I'm gonna hang this up in my room. Okay. Oh, by the way, I have an Instagram. If you guys want to see me take a picture with this and see my face, it's on Instagram. The art is in it's in the description, right? And on my channel bio too, so you can just click on it and follow me on Instagram. See well, look at this beauty. Thank you guys. Fucking mirror inside it. Then to take up this. Oh, look at the camera. See camera. Come on face. Can't see my freaking face. Come on face. Looking. Can't see my face, can you? I'm black. Can't see my face. Gonna put a little Instagram thing there. Follow me, see my face. Me look at. Oh, no good. Focus. Right. Presented. No, fucking. Ah, whatever. Okay, I got it back. This automatically stopped recording. Wait, did I get no? Ooh, okay, perfect, right, perfect. So mean. Okay. Presented to KillerWink passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. That bad boy. Ooh, ooh. Dog. Oh my god! I'm gonna shut the camera again. I'm gonna hang this up for more. But yeah, guys, videos coming soon. Alright, videos coming soon. And yeah, thanks for watching the unboxing. Thank you guys for helping me reach this milestone. It means a lot to me. I'm like the biggest gaming YouTuber in Trinidad. So yes, thank you very much for that. Even though I don't make videos. When is the last time I made a video? Like 3 months ago, 6 months ago, I don't know, I'm sorry. Videos coming soon. This year for sure. Maybe next week, who knows. I'm gonna be playing Apex and making videos on that, funny clips and shit. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Jotaro! Dio! ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。近づかなきゃ、てめえをぶちのめせないんだな。ほう。では十分近づくがよい。何！ザ・ワールド！止まれ一
But yeah, thanks. But wait, let me just show you my little setup. This is where everything is done, right? Everything is done here. Got my little anime wallpaper. I mean, you can get a better one. This one's kind of lame. Get a better one. See that shit. But I make everything on this laptop because I got no computer. Okay, oh, nice one, yeah. Nice anime. You guys know any anime? Tell me in the description. I'm looking for anime to watch. I watch a lot of them. So thanks for the play button, guys. I wanna have this. And I see, guys, even though I'm gonna get like 1,000 views on this video, because all the guys are like dead because I don't make videos. It's not my. It's my fault. I'm sorry. Couldn't see the mirror. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for the play button. So yeah, I think this is it. And thanks. Again, if you can call me, I'm raping your sleep. But yeah, thanks for the play button. And I'm like the only person in Trinidad to have this. So, and I don't know why else in Trinidad made an unboxing video to see this. So yeah, thanks and bye.